In this video, I'm going to show you guys on how to add subscribe animations to any video, just like you can see on your screen right now. Now, all you have to do is simply go ahead and search for copyright-free subscribe animations. This is actually the first step because we're going to be using Capcut to get it done. Now, you can actually use any website that you can see in here, but I'm going to be using Pizza Bay. You simply click on the website and you are going to see, different type of subscribe animations. Now just scroll down, you are going to see the ones that are actually free. Now make sure that you download the ones that are having green screen. You need the ones with green screen. So just look for anyone that you actually like, and then once you see the one that you actually like, just download it and then open your CapCut app. Now once your CapCut app is open, the first thing you need to do is to drag the video that you actually want to add the subscribe button on to the screen. So just drag it in here. Once you drag it in here, then you see that it will become playable. So let's just wait a little bit. So now you can see that it's actually playable. So you can see that you can actually do this on your mobile device as well, not just your PC. So you can also do it on your mobile device. So the next thing you need to do now is to drag your subscribe animation and then put it on top of that video. That's what is called overlay. So you're actually overlaying this animation on top of this video. So put it on top of the video so you can actually overlay it. Now you can see that there is a green screen covering the main video. Now to remove this, make sure that you are clicking on the video, the subscribe animation video. So let me do it again. You click on it to enable the options. Now you are going to see remove BG. Click on it, then click on chroma key. Now you can actually select any green section on the screen. So once you select the green section on the screen, it's going to remove that green section and it's going to leave just the animation. So you can see the animation is still there on the screen. So you can actually increase the intensity a little bit, and at the same time you can increase the sound of the animation and also reduce the sound of the animation, because the animation actually has a sound. So you can reduce it or increase it, and then once you've done that, you can move it around the screen. Then one important thing that you need to do is that you are going to have to adjust the size of this animation, because right now you can see that it's too big. So just adjust the size and make it a little bit smaller so it's going to fit on your main video, and then move it to any section that you want. As for me, I'm going to put it in the middle of my video. Now once you've done this, simply go ahead and play your video to see how it's going to look. So right now you can see that the animation is actually playing perfectly fine. So that's the easy way for you to actually add subscribe animations to any video using your CapCut app. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.